Today is November 26th, 2011, and here we are at the Jatropha farm, and we are now removing the saplings and putting it in the ground. And all of these saplings that are here, they are taller than Mr. Abul, who's here, and these saplings will now be transplanted. They are coming out of the ground. And here he is taking out the sapling. इधर ऊपर देखना. आपका क्या नाम है? मेरामन. ये कितनी देर में एक निकलता है ये sapling?
6-7 मिनट लगता है.
6 to 7 minutes. You remove it. So all of these saplings are being removed. And Abul bhai, can you lift up one? Okay, lift it up. So this is the roots of the sapling, and this sapling will be transplanted into the new ground, the hole that has been dug. And okay, if you hold it like this, there is so इसको वापस उसके अंदर मट्टी में इसको लगा दो. So we will take this sapling and so this is all these Jatropha saplings are going to be now transplanted into the land, into the area that we have already done, and these are all higher than me in height. So when you transplant it to 9 feet apart, this is like in 5 months these saplings have grown in this area. We're going to show you the other location where these saplings will be transplanted. So before the sun sets, I'm going to go there and show this. So this is Jatropha in Dubai, in Khanij, and I am so happy that we have, alhamdulillah, been able to successfully grow Jatropha in the Middle East, in UAE. Now we are going to grow these trees. From this we will get the oil, and from this oil we will supply to the airlines. This will give them carbon credit. This will give them the oil, which will be B5, B10, B20. We will take it up to 50%. So if any of the airlines use these biodiesel Jatropha, they will not only save on the carbon credit, but they will also be able to use this fuel. This will save them. Presently they have to hedge the oil. If they have to pay after 6 months, they have to pay today the price of the oil, and then when they get the delivery, whatever the price at the delivery time is, this is what they get, that they have to pay. So if an airline has this Jatropha growing for itself, what that it will do is that it will be able to get all of this oil from self-grown. It will make Dubai green, it will make UAE green, the carbon credit will be available for them, and they will benefit, and there will be employment. And if I put in 40 miles by 40 miles area here in UAE, that would generate 2 billion liters to 4 billion liters of oil a year.